Hello there everyone, Bradley Sward here. This is a day 3 update. In my previous video I said regular expressions were screaming out to me, and of course they were screaming out to me because that's the right answer to this, and I'm ashamed that I just didn't spend my time looking up how to do it rather than just do regular expressions in this one specific use case, do it slower, less efficient, and take forever compared to just looking up how to do it. So this is the problem again. We're looking for a very specific string of the word mull, then a parenthesis, then 1 to 3 digits, then a comma, then 1 to 3 digits again, and then a closing parenthesis, and nothing else matters. And so that's what's cool about this problem is once you know that that's the pattern you're looking for and you spend a little time and effort to write this almost incomprehensible string of characters, basically what you're saying here is, oh, first thing I did again is I reduced all this to one giant line because apparently you need that. That didn't work for part 2 for me. Somehow it was broken up into 5 strings, so I just broke it up into one long one and it worked. But coming back here, but this is to say that, okay, we're searching for, we're using this function called findAll, part of the regular expressions library, which is amazing. And it's basically saying, let's find every place in that file where it starts with a mull with the parenthesis, then the slash d. This is mean there's 1 to 3 digits, then a comma, then another 1 to 3 digits, and then a closing parenthesis. And it has to match exactly that anywhere. And it's going to give me a list of all the ones that match that pattern. And it just says mull this and mull that. And I don't have to worry about anything else past that. And so then I can say for everything in there, go ahead and split and remove the mull part, and then let's remove the mull from it, from the string. Let's remove the parenthesis on the right, the mull with the, so now that what's left is just a number and a comma and a number, and then I take that comma and I split it, and then each of those are strings, and I say for every one of those 2 strings, let's convert it to an integer, and let's convert that into a list. And then from there I have 2 numbers, and I multiply them together, slap it onto the total. I run my program here just to show, oops, I haven't run this apparently today, and you will see that you get the answer of the 1737 with a 482 that I got previously here, 1737 with the 482. So that is the solution to the problem that now I feel really silly because this only took a few minutes rather than the time it took me to do things the other way. So please comment if this interests you. I'm glad this is working for us. I don't think this is a great approach for solving part 2 still, but because the question is, well, how do we know the order of things? And I guess we could figure that out from a later time, but I already have a solution, so I don't think I'll be doing that. Well, thanks everybody. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Have a good one.